Hey guys, Niki with Vapor Honing Technologies. Wanted to reach out to you once again. We're in our new showroom. By all means, you guys come visit us. We're in North Carolina. We have a brand new showroom with all of our equipment you're able to use. Any equipment, bring us apart. We'd love to help you find the best solution for your needs. That being said, I wanted to talk to you today about sandblasting. Today we're next to this VH dry blast cabinet, it's the VH 3500. So this cabinet is fairly large. It's got the front load door. It's going to make it super easy for loading and unloading. Wanted to give you an idea of the best media to be used in sandblasting. Most cases, it's going to be the aluminum oxide. What we find is that it's going to be ideal for a number of different applications. It's great because of its angular particle. It's going to be great for etching and finishing the surface. It's going to be great for removing paint, powder coat, and prepping for coatings, creating a profile on that surface. When you have a round particle, it's going to roll over the surface. So that's why there's a difference in, if you're removing paint, why the aluminum oxide with an angular edge will work better than say a glass bead with a round edge. It's just gonna roll over the surface, and it may eventually remove some things, but it's gonna take it a long time. So aluminum oxide is definitely the ideal media to use in that case. We had some questions that came in. I wanted to refer to a customer that was asking about walnut shells. So walnut shells tends to be very soft. When you're using walnut shells, it's not going to pit the surface. It's going to be perfect for pistons, turbines, because it is so gentle. It can be used multiple times. It's not a one and done type of media. Another excellent use of walnut shells is going to be for deburring. It's going to be great for deflashing. It's also going to be great for cleaning the surface. So this is a great media for those type of applications. So another question that we received is about a media which is corn cob. This is something that is great for cleaning wood. Any kind of delicate surfaces, the corn cob's really good for because it's not aggressive, but it's going to give you a nice clean finish. The last one we want to talk about today is soda. So soda is a one and done type system. It breaks down very quickly because it's very soft. So it is going to be good for cleaning. It's going to be great for a finishing process in the dry blast system, but it is definitely something that you will use a lot of because it is soft and it will break down. So if you have any questions, if we can assist you with your sandblasting needs or any questions you have about media, we would love to help you today. So give us a call. My number is 828-202-5563. Thank you so much.